how to make your birthday public on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your birthday public on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find profile information, and then go to basic info and click edit, and then all you need to do just click here, this one, and click public and save it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.